Relocating an office can disrupt workflows and productivity if not handled efficiently. That's where Baxter Shipping steps in. At Baxter, we start by understanding your needs. From mapping out your new office layout to planning the timeline, we ensure everything is organized from the start. Our customized relocation plans minimize downtime and ensure a smooth transition. We handle the logistics so you can focus on running your business. Packing for an office move requires precision. Baxter's experts ensure your equipment, files, and furniture are packed securely and labeled for easy unpacking. Our skilled movers transport your belongings safely and ensure everything is set up in your new space, ready for business as usual. With Baxter Shipping, office relocations are seamless, stress-free, and designed to get you back to business quickly. Choose Baxter Shipping for your next office move. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can make your office move stress-free.